Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of the city of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard, which is the main thoroughfare into and out of the city of Kingston, and we just passed over the Malines Road intersection and we are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. So on the left and on the right, you're going to see a lot of residential communities, a lot of homes. On the left is Drewsland, on the right is Marvelly. And some time ago it was announced by the government that they wanted to redesign and re-engineer Washington Boulevard. This is one of the sections they were talking about, because if you notice, according to the government, they say you don't get the feeling that you're driving into the largest city and the capital of Jamaica when you're driving on this road, because on the left and the right you can see the communities, zinc fences. They even have like garages, food places, stores built right up onto the side of the road. So the government is trying to change that. However, they haven't given any more information or specifics as to what they plan to do or when. So on the right now, if you turn right, you go into the Pembroke Hall area, and also on the right is the Boulevard Supercenter, one of the largest and most popular malls in Jamaica. That is the only mall in Jamaica that has, well, in Kingston, that has 3 drive-thrus. Fairview in Montego Bay is the largest mall in Jamaica and the Caribbean, the English-speaking Caribbean. And I don't know if they have 3 drive-thrus for food places. That mall, Boulevard Supercenter, has Island Grill, KFC, Burger King. They all have drive-thrus. Fairview has Wendy's has a drive-thru, KFC has a drive-thru. I don't think there are any more drive-thrus down there for the food places. Alright, on the right is Tasty Patties, and if you turn right you also go into Patrick City or Patrick Gardens. As you can see, Washington Boulevard is 6 lanes, and the 6 lanes take you right into Mandela, which is also 6 lanes. Alright, so if we go left here now, we go on to Spanish Town Road, And Spanish Town Road will take us down to Hagley Park Road to the 3 miles interchange, and if we continue on it, we'll go all the way to downtown Kingston. Straight ahead now is the exit ramp from Mandela onto Spanish Town Road. So we are now going on to Mandela Highway, and I think Mandela Highway is the nicest road in Jamaica. Look at it. When you drive on this road, with the exception of the overhead power lines, you would think you're driving in the US or Canada based on the quality of this road. And this road was renovated. It cost, I think it was 64 million US to renovate the road from the Spanish Town Road exit to the Portmore exit, or the Portmore turnoff. On the right is the 876 complex. It's a industrial complex, very nicely put together, very popular. Persons sometimes refer to it as the Ferry Industrial Complex because it's located in Ferry. So if you were to access the complex or the industrial park from this direction, you would exit left and go across that bridge. There you can see some police officers hard at work. There was a time when you would only have to worry about speeding, but they have so many traffic laws now that you don't even know when police stop you. You don't even know what to expect. On the left now is the Fesco gas station. On the right is the Ferry police station and the Hydel group of schools, and there's a Tile City location over there as well. So to access the locations on the right, you would have to go over the bridge that we just passed. And if we continue on Mandela Highway, we'll go. Mandela takes you to Portmore, Spanish Town, and you can access the Highway 2000 East-West leg that takes you to Maypen and Mandeville, and you can access Highway 2000 North-South leg that takes you to Ocho Rios. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.